Hello Emma, I just read your job details. I am very much interested for this job, and my question is, do you have a competitor website where they sells the similar projects what you wanna sell, and it makes a great idea to make a high converting website. And I have few portfolio site I have shared in this job where I bid. You can check and let me know which the design you like most. Am I skilled in gem pages, pagefly, shogun page builder and other page builders? Also I have skilled in liquid coding, SEO, website responsive website, and also I am UI expert to make a good looking website. I am a full-time freelancer and I am very much interested to work with you. To start this project I need a store access and the theme editor, code editor access, product section, and the apps access. I am available to make the job for you anytime. I am waiting for your response, and best regards for it running. Thank you so much.